21-year-old Charlene Zeng loves to shop online. As she makes purchases only on trusted auction sites and reputable blog shops, she always gets what she pays for. But she still had one bad encounter when she bought a Hong Kong drama serial on eBay. She thought she was getting a good deal. The auction page showed a picture of the original DVD box set going for less than $10. But what Charlene got instead were downloaded copies of the show burnt on DVDs. So what did you do when you found out that, this is what you received?
I immediately made the complaint feedback to the person who sold me this,
Okay.
and I reported it to eBay. But I think there's not much they can do to the person, because even if they shut down his account, he can also create another one.
Okay.
So there's not really, don't have so-called safe measures in online shopping.
Okay, so did the person who sold you these copies actually responded to your complaints?
No.
Okay, so he just disappeared from the picture altogether. Charlene did not pursue the matter as she did not suffer a major loss, and there are likely many like her who just leave and let leave. Statistics from the Consumer Association of Singapore show that the number of complaints are low, but case encourages all victims to report the case to the police, no matter how much money is involved.
I will still advise that they report it to the police, because it can be a criminal breach of trust, because they collect money without the intention of delivering any goods or service. And secondly, if the amount is big and it's worth their while to engage counsel to sue them, by all means, go ahead. But there are other cheaper options available. They can go to the small claim tribunal. The small claim court judgment can be enforceable, and if they don't comply, they can engage a bailiff to collect assets from the person who misled you. Or you can come to case. We can provide negotiation facilities, or we can provide mediation facilities.
Or, for those who are net savvy, they may also initiate some evidence gathering activities online. For instance, 21-year-old Diana Koh was jailed recently for pocketing $1,000 from close to 40 women. This after one of the victims put up a website to gather sufficient evidence from other victims to build a case against Diana Koh. As more conmen may be lurking on cyberspace, it pays to be more careful with online purchases. And instead of relying on the legal framework to punish these conmen, Mr. Seah said online shoppers should also do more research to protect their own interests.
There are accreditation mark on certain websites. For example, in Singapore, we have the Trust SG mark. Look out for this mark when you do transaction, because such business that put out such website has undergone a vigorous procedure and process of assessment, and they are supposed to comply with certain code of conduct when they deal with their business. For example, they have to state how many days the product will be delivered to you. There will be statement on protection of personal data. There will be protection on payment gateway.
So if you don't want to be the next victim, learn to be smarter online shoppers.